When you want to print photos from our photo kiosk, first choose the language, then select Photos, and then choose Photos again. Select your preferred photo size and whether you want the photos glossy or matte. Choose the photo source from which you want to transfer your images. For example, if you want to bring photos from an iPhone, you can do so using a QR code by pointing your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the screen. Click the link that appears on your phone, and you'll be able to select your desired photos directly from your phone's photo gallery. Tap the photos you want, and press the Add button, which will transfer your selected photos to the kiosk screen. Alternatively, you can also transfer your photos using a transfer cable. In this case, your photo gallery will appear on the kiosk screen, and you can select the images you prefer. You can also print your photos from a memory card or USB drive by inserting it into the reader, after which the images will appear on the screen. Once the photos have been transferred to the kiosk screen, you can crop and edit them individually. When you're satisfied with your choices, press the Next button on the screen to see a summary of your order. Then, add your name and phone number. Remove any devices or cables. Take the receipt from the machine and proceed to the store checkout to pay. Your photos will be sent for processing immediately, and soon you'll be able to admire your finished prints.